panels of monofacial monoperk half cut design, and it has dirt on it. So the cleaning process of the solar panel is done. So you typically can use either a pressure if you have a water supply within the area. If you do not have water supply in that area, or if it's on top of your sheet, then like in this case, you can use a bucket and a mop. Both will do. But if you are using a pressure pump, please make sure that it is not a single point pressure applied on the solar panel. That would affect the solar cells and damage it. So it should be widely spread instead of a single point water pressure applied. So in this particular solar system, you can see the different shadow objects in the video, and you can see how the shadow objects also affect the solar panel. So there are trees all around on the southeast and the southwest side. So this solar panel is more likely facing the southwest rather than true south. There will be a shadow effect also. So what we do in solartoall.com is basically design a solar system and tell you in which direction, how much is the capacity you should use, and what is the expected production you can expect for a solar system to survive. So that's what we do at solartoall.com, and we give you recommendation based on that, and we connect you to the best installer next to your location. And the installer will recommend a solar system and provide you with the details. So that's how the process of solar system works. And in the cleaning, you can see that every corner of the solar panel should be clean. So that's why we have a walkway provided in the middle. The walkway allows us to walk uh, freely and clean the solar system properly. So these spots and different type of dirt accumulated on the solar system due to the atmospheric conditions that can be removed using this particular uh, method of cleaning. So this is the safest and most convenient way of cleaning if you don't have a pressure pump to deliver water at that level of height. So here you can see the solar panel cleaned here, uh, the different solar panels. So all the spots will be removed, and even the edges, you can see the side edges, they have dirt. So this also should be removed ideally, because the dirt may fly over to on top of the solar cells and still cause degradation in the energy generation. So that's why we clean every corner of the top of the surface. If it's bifacial panels, you should ideally clean the bottom surface also. But here in this case, since it's mono facial, we only need to clean the top surface for solar production. Hence, we are doing the same cleaning. That's how the cleaning is done on this type of solar panels. Hope you understood it. See you in the next video. Thank you.